Opened up Raphael. Say hi, Raphael.
And we got
You got the big bug? The big yellow bug?
wasp.
I think this is a wasp or something. No, this is a bumblebee.
No, it's a wasp.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
Bumblebees do not look like that.
Bumblebees don't look like that? Cool.
And we have some 2 super surprise eggs back here, guys.
2 super surprises.
Super ones. Ooh, we got a stamp.
No, we don't put it on the wall. Let me have it. No, don't put it there. Let me have it. I'll show everybody.
How about we can stamp it on your...
Yeah, stamp it on my hand. Okay, that didn't come out all that great. No, that's a big blob of ink. Okay, cool. Let's move on to our next one. All right, let me have the stamp.
I ate too much.
You ate too much?
No, there's too much of the egg.
Uh-huh.
Too much ink on here.
Let's check out our next egg. Let's grab another one.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, dun, dun. All right, what's inside? Show everybody.
Pokemon.
Is it Pokemon? Which one is that one? I know there's like about 1,000 Pokemon or something. It's crazy the amount of Pokemon they have. All right, what else you got in there, buddy? Grab another egg. Cool. We got that one done. All right.
Candy.
What is it? Yeah, you're not having candy tonight. You already
Paw Patrol jelly beans.
Paw Patrol jelly beans?
I had these one day.
You did?
Yeah, but I didn't taste the red one, guys. Did not taste the red one.
We can taste it another day. Here, let's show everybody. Who's that? Which one is that on there?
Sky.
That's Sky. Okay.
Okay, my breath is holding on.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You got another stamp over there and a new egg.
What you got in that one? Paw Patrol?
Lego minifig.
Lego. That's from the Galaxy, what's it called?
Guardians
of the Galaxy, yes.
I'll take his head off.
No, don't take his head off. Because then he can't think.
What?
Exactly.
What? Can you try to take his head off? Egg. Here we got
What else
a
you got?
little Pokemon.
That's another Pokemon. It's in the shape of a whale, though.
It's a whale.
It's a really tiny
Pokemon.
whale.
I think his name is Whaleless.
Walrus? Okay.
You got a little sharp thing. I just